Hey, how's my friends today? I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you're ready to have some fun. Our book this week is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and it talks about the letters climbing a tree. I thought we'd make a tree. So, ready? Let's do it. I'm running out of paper, so I'm using the back of other paper. Y'all know what this is, huh? That's from our paper towels. So, first I'm going to glue the base of the tree, what you would call the tree trunk, to the paper. Oh, I made my circle big, but that's okay. Move it around. There we go. I cut up some palm leaves. Some of them I made these little thingies on the end, and some of them I didn't. It's just easier. Yes, I'm using an old calendar. I put these on the end so we can just fold them on top. Now you'll see when we start, it doesn't look very much like a tree, does it? It's going straight down, but you'll see. I'll fix it. You can put as many of these as you want. I'm just going to put a few. You can color them, but you don't have to. They look pretty. Okay, now to make our leaves stick out, I'm just going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to put it in the middle here. Kind of holds our leaves in place and makes them stick out a little bit. Not bad, huh? Yeah, I thought so. And then the next part was the letters, right? The letters were climbing the tree. So I cut out some letters. I think, here we go. See if you can figure out whose name this is. K, Y, L, I, E. Yeah, it's Kylie. So, some of the letters are going to be climbing the tree. Maybe, if the glue works. And some of them are going to be on their way to the tree. But they're all going to be glued. Okay, here's the K. K, Y, whoops, Y, L, I, E. Whoops, sorry. Kylie. Fun, isn't it? Let's do another. How about G, I, O, Geo. I also have the rest of your name. Whoa! V, A, N, Y, Giovanni. You can use the whole name. You can just use part of your name. Depends on how much paper you have, I guess. I'm going to just glue on Geo so you can see that you could do one for Mom, one for you. Whoops. Lost a piece of my tree. G I O. Geo's in the tree. There you go. And if you don't want to glue them, you can just have the letters stay down, and then you can keep practicing the letters. You can rearrange the letters and see if you can get them back in order. Whoa. See? All right. So, I hope you have fun making your own tree. And you know, if you don't have the paper towel thing, you can just draw a tree. Watch. Okay, this is gonna get tricky. Ready? Ooh, my table's got lumpy stuff on it, okay? And then you just make the things coming up. So I got my handy dandy little colored pencils. And we'll put another color of green in there. Okay, not bad, right? And then we get a brown one for the tree stem. You can make this nice and pretty, or you can just make it however you want. And now I'm going to use the brown's a little dark, so I am going to do it this way. B R Y A N. Do you know what that says? Brian. Brian. J E S U S. Jesus. Jesus. Whoa. How fun is that? You're climbing the tree. I hope you guys had fun today. I know I did. I miss you a whole bunch, and I wish I could see you. But I'll just say, see you later. Love you.